I have the key to this Tesla Model 3 right behind me that I bought from Copart for a really good deal. Now, I have no idea if this car runs or drives or anything of that sort. This is the first time I'm seeing it, just like you guys are. So let's go ahead and see if the car even has battery. Ooh, okay. The car has a nice white interior. Coming. No, it smells like cigarettes. Oh, God. All right, I'll leave this door open for now. Before we go inside, let me go ahead and show you guys the damage and why I got the car for a really good price. I bought this car for, I think I was the winning bidder at like $6,000. So here's the damage. It was in the back. As y'all can see, the impact bar got pushed in a little bit, but this is all very easily fixable. And also the quarter panel got hit. This is fixable. Little scratches here, and door has a couple dents. All of this is fixable. For this, we're gonna have to get a new mirror, which is nothing at all. And also we'll see if this piece is inside the trunk. And sometimes the car does come with parts inside the trunk. Here is the rear bumper of the car. This car came with the rear bumper like this, just off, I guess. But that's the exterior of the car. Let's go ahead and hop in to the cigarette smell, unfortunately. Okay, the cigarette smell is not terrible. Maybe I was overdoing it. There's a little smell to it, but I think a quick detail, professional detail, we'll be able to fix all this. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how much battery we have. Okay, actually we have 0% battery. I'll see right there, 0% battery. So I'm trying to turn it on, foot on the brake. Oh, you gotta put the key card. Put the key card, what is it, right here? Okay, we're on. We do have a Tesla charger here, so we can go ahead and go inside and put the car charging. Oh no, it just turned off already. Come on, we gotta go quick. Come on, we gotta go quick, we gotta go quick. We got no juice. We're on hopes and dreams. We didn't even open up the gate for today. Oh boy. All right, park it, grab the key. Let's go ahead, open the gate and take the car inside. All right, gate. Now we can bring the car inside. First, I think we need to move this Mustang. Actually, no. We can just back the Tesla right in there and we should be able to charge it. So hopefully we can make it in. Let's go. We also need to check the trunk, see if we have any parts in there that we can reuse. That way we can save some money. Let's go ahead and find out. Okay, come on. We're going quick, we're going quick, we're going quick. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, we'll back it in. Come on. Okay, there you go. Let's go ahead, open up the thing. Boom. Oh, got carbon fiber. All right. Whew, that's low-key sick. I'm not even gonna lie. It's like electricity. That's low-key fire. All right, let's go ahead and go inside. All right, there you go. Got the charger. Go ahead, just like that. Here's the moment of truth. Hopefully it charges. I think it's charging. It's flashing blue. Oh, it's green now. There you go. So this car's charging. Awesome, because it was at 0%. So now it's charging. We should be good to go. What's the car's looking like? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now we can open up the trunk and see if we have any parts. Aha. Okay, the motor is broken, I think. Okay, let's see if we have any parts in here. Oh, I see some taillights in the back. This is the fender liner or quarter liner, whatever you want to call it. Go in here, and now we got the taillights. I think they're both in good condition. No cracks. Just a little dirty, nothing crazy though. So we can reuse this. This is good. Come over here. This one is good as well. I don't see any cracks. Awesome. So we don't need any taillights. We have the rear bumper. Let's see if we can open this actually. Go ahead and close this up. Well, actually, let me see if the button works. Okay, so the button does work. Okay, so it does work to close, but then to open it. Oh. Okay, well, never mind. I could have sworn earlier it did not work. All right, we'll close that up. So yeah, so it is charging. It's gonna take a while to charge. There has to be a way to open this. Controls, glove box. Okay, with the manual, and that's it. No parts in there. I don't think there's any parts in here. Just open up. Okay, well, I definitely have a lot to learn. I did sell a Tesla Model 3 before, but mainly I sold the Tesla Model S's. Those are the ones that I get a lot of. So Model 3s are still kind of new to me, but yeah, I think this car is pretty good. The parts that we're gonna need is that mirror right there, and then this piece right here. Let's see that right there. And now let's go back to the front. I'm gonna show you guys that bumper that came with. That's low-key tough. I'm not even gonna hold you. The black headlights is low-key tough. Yeah, let's go look at the bumper real quick and see if it's reusable. I think it is. But let's go see. There it is. All right. That's a huge, what's that, splash guard underneath? All right. This is definitely reusable. Yep. We'll definitely be reusing this for sure. Splash guard seems to be fine. Yeah, so we're gonna reuse this. Everything that came with, all the wires and everything. Now all we need to get is the passenger side mirror and the passenger side, that light. I think it's a camera. It's either a camera or a light. So we'll get those two parts and I'll go put this in the back and we'll keep on with the day. All right, so boom, we'll leave that just like this. And then we'll go ahead and order those two parts and we'll go from there. All right, go ahead and crank open the laptop and get these parts. And real quick, one thing I learned about in this business and about any business, I think in general, is speed. You have to move quick, right? Now, I've got this car right now today. I'm gonna get the parts right now. I'm not gonna wait on it because now if I wait on it, it's gonna be lingering in my mind and then I'm just wasting time, right? I have to eventually get the parts regardless to sell this car, right? So I might as well get the parts right now since it's something that I'm gonna have to do to sell the car. So if there's anything I can do right now, I'm gonna do it right now. I'm not gonna leave it in my mind because first of all, it's taking up mental energy, right? It takes that mental energy to keep remembering things. One thing with tasks that I try to do is play hot potato. So as soon as you have a task that you have to do, play hot potato with it. So get rid of it as soon as you can. That means either you do it right away or tell someone else to go do it right away. So try to delegate and just play hot potato with all your tasks. Anytime you get something to do, boom, hot potato, get rid of it. You caught it, something to do, throw it away. You just get rid of it, finish it, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and order these parts. I'm gonna check eBay and I'm gonna check the junkyards, see who got it for the best price, and we'll go from there. Yo, I'm sitting here about to buy the parts, but I just remembered that these Teslas, there's no engine in the front. So in that front cover, like they have the, what you call it, like it opens up. So let me grab the key. All right, it's in my pocket, I have the key. Let's go ahead and check the front, like the front. I think that's what they call it, the front. Let's see if there's parts in there because we didn't even check that. Completely forgot. So go ahead and open this up and we'll see. Open this. Boom. Oh wow, opens up by itself. No, dang. I thought maybe it'd be in here. That's low-key sick. Okay, boom. Well, no parts, but we did check. Let me make sure there's nowhere else now I'm forgetting. My boy Elon Musk be hiding stuff, man. Oh wait, what is this? This might be the mirror. Aha, this is the mirror. Broken. Man, I feel like that little camera piece is small, so maybe it's in here somewhere. Alright, I've not seen anything. That's just weird that camera piece would be taken off. Yo, would you look at that? Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, hold on, man. It was in here. That is crazy. What is it, like a hubcap? That is actually crazy, yo. I knew, like, there's no way, like, it's just randomly gone. All right, so we got this. We got this. I think this goes, so boom, like this. I don't care what nobody said. This is reusable. Just glue it together and boom. But look, it's not even damaged. It stays on there pretty good too. As long as it still works. Now, if it doesn't work, then okay, yeah, it's a problem. You know, why even go through the hassle of buying one and waiting for it to come in? Okay, yeah, we'll try to fix this. So this is a game changer. Boom. If it works, if I plug it in, everything works, camera works, the lights work, then we're keeping this. We're using it. If not, then we'll just get a new one. No problem at all. But we are definitely still gonna need the mirror because I mean that mirror is cooked. But that's so crazy. I promise you guys, God is my witness. I did not plan that. Hold on, folks. This is missing. It's supposed to be like a chrome piece that goes all along here. That is missing. Now, is this somewhere hidden inside the car too? We'll just keep finding goodies in here. I highly doubt it. No way. Yo, if that's what it is, y'all. Oh no, just a straw. Dang. I got my hopes up. I thought it was like that. I thought it was outside door trim piece. All right, y'all, so I found the mirror for $92, which is a pretty good price. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that. But then the chrome trim piece that we needed, I cannot find any on eBay really for decent prices. So I'm gonna go through Tesla themselves, see if they sell that piece. Cause sometimes Tesla sells parts cheaper than aftermarket people. I know it's weird, but they do that. So I already went ahead and put a service in the Tesla app and I already added the car and everything. So now I put in that I needed those two pieces. We'll see how much they say it costs. And then when they do give me a quote, I'll let you guys know how much it is and see what we decide on. Real quick, it literally just happened right now as I was recording. Tesla already sent me the estimate and I approved it. It was $123 for them to come out and bring those two parts and they're gonna install it and everything. It was like $123 or $128, right in that price range. And I went ahead and bought the mirror off eBay for $98. So it's a done deal. But the only problem is they're not gonna be out here until like a week and a half from now. So 12 days from now, they said they'll be here February 18th. So when they pull up, they'll go ahead and install those pieces. And yeah, that's it. But there's nothing else we can really do for the car right now. It's charging. I bought all the parts. Now we just wait for the car to charge up and we take it to a body shop and we'll go from there. But right now, let's go see what else we need to do for the day. All right, we got the Mustang here. This Mustang needs to get washed today and we'll go ahead and take pictures. We already passed the inspection on it and everything. This tape right here is from the window guy. He came yesterday, put a new window on it. This we can take off though. And there we go. Now this car, we can go wash it today and post it, and that's it. It's a done deal. Actually, this is like hanging off. Okay. I'm gonna have to get the body guy to fix this. The gap is a little crazy. With the body guy to fix that first, then we'll wash it, then we'll post it. Done deal. And we'll go from there. Tesla's over there. All that's over there. So back here, actually, we're trying to get rid of this parts car. So we need to move it so we can clear up some space. Let the boy Jeff, he's putting on the wheels. Yes, sir. Jeff the mechanic. Yes, sir.
Everything out here.
Yes, sir. Man of many trades. But yeah, so here's a parts car. in all its glory. A lot of parts are gone, a lot of parts are sold. Let's see if we come over here. This side is still good. We still have the fender, 2 doors. The seats are cooked though, because this car was flooded. We have a lot of parts left. We just need to move it out the way because we need this space to be working on cars. We are gonna go ahead and try to figure out a way to move this. Our bright idea is we're gonna put the wheels back on the rear, and then in the front, we're gonna try to tow it. Like somehow just try to pick it up and drag it. Go ahead, figure this out, and we'll see what we do. This car still has the engine and transmission on it too. We haven't sold those yet, so we're gonna put these on and we'll see what's next. All right, y'all, so there's a Q50 right there. So now me and Jeff's plan, we already put the wheels on there in the back. I was thinking we're gonna call like a tow truck driver, come and pick up the 2 front wheels, right? To dolly it all the way and to drop it right here. Boom. So that way it's out the way. It's not taking up a spot inside the gate, and it's just out the way. We're never gonna move it again until it's completely sold, and that's it. So now we're gonna go ahead and call the tow truck driver and see if he can do it, and we'll go from there, I guess. All right, y'all, we recorded the call with the tow truck guy. Well, we thought we recorded it, but Jeff didn't click the record button. All right, rookie mistake, rookie 101. But it is what it is. We talked to the tow truck guy. He said he can come get it today. He's gonna put it all the way up on his trailer and just move it outside and put it in the back. So he's gonna pull up today, hopefully, and that's gonna be a whole movie. So y'all stay tuned for that, cause that's gonna be crazy. I already know it. We'll do that, but right now, me and Jeff, we're gonna go clean some stuff up. We got the gloves on. We'll move everything out the way, get that area clean, and we'll go from there. So this is before. Got all this right here. I already moved that CRV, and I'll show you guys that. All right, y'all, here's a quick update. What it's looking like. Cleaned up a little bit. I'm trying to move this car right here, this Q50. I don't know what's going on with it. Y'all look at this real quick. So I got gas, I got battery. It turns on. And it just cuts off. Show it one more time. Whoops. There you go. I just gave it a bunch of gas. I'm gonna go park this car somewhere in the back. Right here should be okay. So leave that right there. So here's what it's looking like now. We moved all the cars out the way. You moved those 2 cars that were right there out the way. So now when the tow truck driver comes, he can just move it quickly, pick it up, drop it off right there. That's it. We'll have this space clear to use. So then that'll be good to go. And in the meanwhile, Jeff went to a junkyard real quick to pick up some parts that we need for this Honda CRV right here. So this Honda CRV, it needs a muffler. It needs the rear trunk floor mat thing. And it needs this trim piece right here. It's missing. Needs those 3 things, and I'm also gonna get a Hyundai Sonata rocker panel from that same junkyard. So I give Jeff the card and the keys, and he's going to go get those parts. He already left with the Ford Explorer, supposed to be over there. So he went and did that, but now this Mustang we need to work on. So you see this Mustang, we got it from the body shop already, but come over here. You see this gap right here? I tried pushing it in myself, but it looks like the tabs are broken. I'm not exactly sure how he's gonna do it. He's gonna have to finesse it a certain way to get this to work. But yeah, so we're gonna take this to the body shop hopefully today. We already messaged him, told him if we can swing by real quick. He didn't respond yet, so we'll wait and see what he says. And besides that, the Tesla is still charging up there. We already got all the parts, so that's good to go. And there's nothing else for us to really do right now. I am inside working on some videos, so that's what I'm gonna keep doing. It's about to be door holding in a little bit, so we'll work on that for right now. All right, y'all, the boy Jeff just pulled up. He brought the parts. So here's the rocker panel for the Hyundai Sonata, and then over here is the muffler and the trunk that we need, the Honda CRV. So there we go. So these 2 will go in there. Unfortunately, they did not have this part right here, and I said like they just can't get them off because every time I try to get them off they just break. That's probably why it's missing. We'll find that maybe on eBay or something. Let's just go ahead, leave these right here for right now, and we'll see what's next. Update from the tow truck guy. Says he's gonna be here today, but we'll see when he pulls up, hopefully, and we can get that car moved. All right, we just got a package. It's for a Toyota Camry. I think it's for the 2018 one that we have. Let me go see. This rear bumper, the side marker lights. So let's go ahead and see if we can plug it in real quick, complete this car. So you see right here, you got that, and this side it don't. So let's go ahead and put this in, see what's cracking. All right, there we go. That completes the car. Makes it look better. And there you go for that car. This is it. Car's ready for sale completely now. All right, y'all. Next order of business is we're trying to figure out this camera system. This camera system has been just giving us headaches upon headaches. So the previous owner, he had this camera system, right? And he said that the people that installed it, they put a password on it. He doesn't know the password. We can't even get in there and try changing. I can't even connect it to my phone. So right now, we unplugged everything. But unfortunately, it's like every camera, you have to put it in a specific port. Let me show you guys. There's only one camera on right now, right? Go over here to this room with the boy Jeff. mechanic, and now electrician too. That boy does it all. So we're going one by one because each white cable you see right there is a camera. So now you have to put the cable into the correct one for it to turn on. If you put in the wrong one, it's not gonna turn on. But we don't know which one is right, which one is wrong. So we're just going one by one, trying to figure out like what turns on and what doesn't turn on. Right now we have one on, okay? You had the other one on in the beginning, but I don't know what happened. Remember the first one you took out? Actually, no, here, I have a better idea. Hold on. Okay, so we have one working, right? Okay, keep unplugging until it turns off. Once it turns off, then that means we know that's the one that's bad. Now it works. Okay, now I'll plug another one. So that's the parts room, and these are Wi-Fi. As soon as you unplug it, it starts lagging, and you won't be able to see anything. I still see you, okay? Oh, that was the one. That was the one. Oh, we should put like a sticky note. Like, this is parts.
I got a Sharpie, so I
got a Sharpie? Okay, yeah. So we can mark these cameras so we know for sure. After about 20 minutes, we gave up. None of them worked except that one camera light, the one parts camera. So now we looked up on YouTube. There's a way to system reset everything. So we're gonna have to take off the box like completely, get inside, and click a button. So we're gonna try that right now. So there's 2 screws. All right, so is this screw? And we are hiring a cameraman. So you wanna be a cameraman? In the Charlotte, Concord, Kannapolis area, looking for a job, you know, message me. I put my number up there. You can message me, and we're looking for a cameraman. Literally, all you gotta do is this all day. All right, the button. Hold on, where's the button at?
Oh, which one?
Hold on, let me watch the video again. Hold on. All right, y'all, it's cooked. We tried. There's no button. They lied to us on YouTube. It's supposed to be a button somewhere here. We can click it and reset. Unless we're missing it, but I don't think we are. There's no button. Can't even do anything. If any of y'all are camera savvy, let us know what we can do to fix this. We've been on this for hours now, but it is what it is. We're gonna close it back up.
All right, everybody, it's Jeff in the cut. I'm taking over the last channel. Right now, we're just waiting for the towing truck just to get this car so we can move it out of the way. Just so you guys know, I'm taking over from now on. That thing is on bricks right now. Yeah, we might have to. Though you gotta lift it up a little bit first so we can do the whole thing. It's that one. It's working, bro.
All right, y'all, car's moved, as y'all can see. Boom, got it back here. Good God. Let's go around this drone. There we go, get this out the way. Sam, we got room in there to put cars and do other things we need to do in there. That's good, that's good. Y'all boys tap in with the boy, man. Your car towed. Okay, we getting there, we getting there. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think you need it no more. Yeah, you're good. There you go. And it's down.
It's out.
It's out. That boy did it, man. Y'all tapped in for sure, man. That boy hooked it up. That boy hooked it up, man. There you go. He called me the other day, like, yo, someone called from your YouTube channel, and he needed a car towed, and I got it for him.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey,
y'all. Gonna have more clients.
Yeah, y'all tapped in with him. Good people. Good work. Y'all see he just did a very difficult job pretty easily. So, there's that. I think with that, we're going to wrap it up. It's a wrap for the video, a wrap for the day. Jeff, say the outro.
Hey, everybody, just subscribe and give likes.
Give likes, man. Or dislikes. It don't matter. Either or. All right, y'all. Peace.